While creating an e-commerce site using LightFunnels, the data binding feature plays a crucial role. This feature allows you to dynamically link your user interface elements to your data sources. It enables automatic updates in the interface in response to user inputs or data changes, making the site more interactive and responsive for users. The data binding feature is a handy tool that allows you to dynamically pull product descriptions, customer reviews, and various features from your database to your website. This feature helps keep your website's content automatically updated, thus eliminating the need for manual updates. Data binding typically serves as a bridge between a back-end database and a front-end user interface. Information from your database is presented to users through specific templates or elements. These elements can reflect changes in the database in real time, ensuring that your website remains up to date. For example, when a product's price changes or a new customer review is added, this information is automatically updated on your website. The use of the data binding feature enriches the user experience on your website and makes it more attractive to visitors. The presentation of dynamic content encourages users to spend more time on the site and can lead to higher conversion rates. Additionally, this feature makes the maintenance and updating of your website less time-consuming and more efficient. LightFunnels Academy continues to grow the panel with the videos we have prepared for LightFunnels users to work more efficiently and see what they can do using the power of LightFunnels. We will continue to prepare all the features of LightFunnels with tutorial videos. You can create stunning websites with dozens of free funnels and store themes that LightFunnels offers to its users. Thanks to the fast and easy use of the panel, you can create more work in less time. Moreover, LightFunnels comes with a 14-day trial for new users. Create an account today and build a store or funnels using the powerful features we offer you. Experience the joy of selling.